Oh, y'all better get you one of these. I love being able to do some of my favorite hair treatments and my hairstyles at home. You don't have to go to the salon and spend all that money when you get yourself one of these hair dryers. It's got wheels on it, so you can roll it wherever you need to roll it, adjust it how you need to adjust it. You can set the timer, and you can do treatments like the one that I just did, this conditioning treatment, and it left my hair so luscious, so curly, so bouncy, voluminous. I love how my hair texture came out with my curls in full effect with this easy conditioning treatment with my headset dryer.